Hello everyone, this is Faye. I am here once again to share with you today's strongest vibration chart forecast. That is for the strongest vibration chart forecast for July 29, 2026. As you can see, I am not showing you my video, but I am showing you the chart for today from within the series program, which I use all the time. So, today we continue with the powerful energy of the 8th vibe, which was also yesterday's strongest vibration. The 8th vibe brings a focus on achievement, powerful strength, responsibility, leadership, and creating meaningful results. The energy shifts today, however, as the moon entered Aquarius last night, July 28, 2026, at 9:46:27 p.m. And then this morning, July 29, at 10:35:25 a.m., July 29, 2026, the moon moved into direct opposition with the sun, creating the full moon. So look at this. This is the sun in Leo in the 11th house. This is the moon in Aquarius in the 5th house. It's directly opposite. They are 180 degrees apart from each other. During full moon, the earth is positioned between the sun and the moon. So the sun fully illuminates the side of the moon that faces earth, making the moon appear completely bright and round in the night sky. See, the moon does not create its own light. It reflects the sunlight. So when it is directly opposite, one side of it is really, really bright. And the full moon is a time of illumination, a moment when we can see more clearly, gain insights, and become aware of what is ready to be released or completed. With the sun in Leo opposite the moon in Aquarius, we are invited to find harmony between shining our own light and sharing the light with others. And Leo reminds us to honor our creativity, passions, and unique gifts. Aquarius encourages us to look beyond ourselves and consider how our gifts can continue to something greater. Leo asks, how can I express my authentic self? That's the sun in Leo. Aquarius, the moon in Aquarius. How can I use my gift to make a difference? See how beautiful that is? Together, the 8th vibe and the Leo Aquarius full moon create a beautiful opportunity to step into our personal power while staying connected to the needs of the larger community. It is a time to lead with compassion, make heart-centered decisions, and align our goals with a deeper sense of purpose. In vibrational astrology, the sun opposite the moon represents a powerful polarity between conscious awareness and your emotional needs. It highlights the need to integrate two opposing but complementary forces within ourselves. With the sun in Leo, the focus is on creative self-expression, individuality, your confidence, leadership, and the desire to shine from the heart. Leo energy encourages to recognize our unique talents and express our authentic identity. The moon in Aquarius represents emotional independence, objectivity, innovation, and a connection to the collective. Aquarius seeks freedom from limiting patterns and encourages us to think beyond personal concerns toward ideas that benefit humanity as a whole. Together, this Leo in Aquarius opposition creates a vibration of balancing personal expression with collective contribution. The question becomes, how can I honor my unique gift while using them to serve something greater than myself? In vibrational astrology, this configuration can indicate a strong drive to make a meaningful impact. It combines Leo's creative force with Aquarius vision, inspiring leadership that is not only self-focused but also community-minded. The challenge, however, may be balancing the desire for recognition with the need for objectivity, or balancing personal desires with the needs of the group. When integrated positively, however, this vibration supports inspired leadership, innovative thinking, and the ability to shine your individual light while contributing to the greater good. So I hope this forecast for today inspire you with this message. May this energy bring you clarity, inspiration, and the courage to fully embrace the path that is uniquely yours. Have a wonderful day, and I hope this brings clarity in your life. Thank you so much. See you again next time.